Hey guys, I just want to show you real quickly my modifications here. This is my holder here for my skids, my helicopter when I want to carry my helicopter down the street. I don't have a suitcase yet for it, which is going to be the next thing I'm going to get. Cosmetic, I guess. And I also have I had a problem with my battery slot trying to slide off, so I got this little another piece of carbon fiber and a screw. Pretty simple, little short screw. And let's see if I can get it, show it to you. Little ball. It's actually a little ball of solder that I dropped off, found on the table. And I carved a little recess both in the controller and in the little tab that flips. Carved 3 recesses in the controller. You can see one right there. So it locks. Give you an example. Get back in the light for you. Click. Unlock. Unlock. Slides. Nice and tight fit. Leave it locked. Won't come off. There you go. Nice little mod. Alright, here's my controller with my heli attached. You can see this right here. And I'll show you how secure it is. Nice and secure, not going anywhere. There you go, for anybody who wants to steal my idea. That's it right there.